Hey there, guys. Welcome back to another episode of Matt's Art Box. I'm Matt, and in today's episode, we are going to do another coloring book section, and we're going to do Demon Slayer. I came across this in a local retail store. Went ahead and flipped through it. It's got a lot of cool artwork. Some of it's from the manga, some of them's from the anime, but there's a lot of cool things in this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a few of these coloring pages. I'm going to start with this one here. You know, this nice little chibi art style. And to color it, we're not going to use markers today. What we're going to do is use this brand new box of Prismacolor color pencils that I have. And we'll open this up here. Each one will have its own separate tray of pencils. This one will come with 3 trays of pencils because this is the 72 pencil pack. So we're going to have a lot of colors to choose from. But let's go ahead and get started. that's it for the first picture. I do apologize, my camera cut off halfway through the coloring process, and luckily I at least caught it for the final part where I was kind of doing some of the flowers, which I tried to do some of the pinks and purples like the wisteria trees. And then I thought some of the blue and greens would kind of help offset some of the kind of bolder colors that was in there. But when I kind of did it, it kind of went through and got rid of a lot of the details. So later on I might go back through with a fine liner and try to darken some of those lines up. But I think that's going to be it for this picture. So let's go ahead and find another one. There we go. Let's do this one. Alright, let's get these out of the way. Alright, and that is Shinobu. So we had that picture, and then we had this picture. See if I can, there we go. So that is me doing the Demon Hunter coloring book with the Prismacolor color pencils. I hope you enjoyed it, and make sure that you subscribe and leave a like, and then we'll see you next time. Have a good one.